Hi there, my name's Ian Keith and I work at SAS High School Centre in Midlothian.
Hi, I'm Kit Rankin. I work at Midlothian Community High School in Midlothian. Midlothian Council has 6 high schools within it and covers the full SIMD range.
Okay, so the original aim was to develop new broad general education level projects which could be used for graphics, and the aim was to use or develop these projects to go across the whole of the authority. We also wanted to look at the consistency of what's taught across the local authority as well. The main reason for that is because we're starting to experience many learners changing schools for a variety of reasons, and just wanted to look at consistency of outcomes being delivered to make it easier for us and for the pupils as they change the schools.
The experience of the group was vast. We had PTCs who'd worked in the authority for over 30 years, right down to teachers who'd only been in the profession a couple of years. Lots had SQA experience as well as other planning experience. We started by bundling the E's and O's and concentrated on graphics, as we thought that those ones would complement each other. By bundling the E's and O's, it provided that sort of creative spark so that we know where we wanted to take it. We identified the relevant content, knowledge and skills from both the broad general education experiences and outcomes, and we also looked into the senior phase and what was relevant for that. We all noticed gaps within our planning within our own schools, and that was a really useful part of the process for us.
The unit we chose to develop was as part of the development group was project-based learning, which focused on scientific and technological developments, but in a Midlothian context as a theme to a range of projects. So Midlothian has associations presently or in the past with many different industries. These industries and related technologies would form a theme for a range of graphics projects that we'll do across the year. The unit is designed to be open-ended and could last for as long as the teacher would require. The original aim was to last about half a session with maybe one lesson per week.
The learning intentions were designed to be as open-ended as possible so that they could be used with all of the schools and making it relevant for their individual learners. Many of the learning activities were not new to this project. We decided that as a local authority we actually had quite a lot of learning activities that were very successful in covering the skills and content that we were after for this specific project. As part of the plan for learning teaching, we also planned an assessment throughout the process, gathering a wide range of evidence that demonstrated breadth, challenge and application.
The evidence ranged from teacher observations through to models that evidence digital and practical skills. SAS Group, we developed this unit of work, working collaboratively, discussing what was proposed and suggesting improvements throughout. We're asking relevant questions along the lines of, is the E's and O's appropriate, and is the learning intentions appropriate for the task at hand?
We've used the moderation cycle to go through the process that has lasted approximately 8 or 9 months throughout this academic session. We are now at the stage where we're using this with a department level and also at a local authority level, as all of the Midlothian high schools have had some involvement in this process.
So in doing this project, experience has been quite a valuable process. It's the first time we've really managed to get a development group together to do any collaborative work, and in a way it's allowed us to realise that working closer together will benefit not just us but the learners across the whole authority.
In my specific school context, we've also used this within other departments and faculties across the school, so it means that the whole school are working towards the same process.